What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Anthony back again with another review. I got a new location here where I'm going to be filming, so it's a little better. But anyways, back to the review. We're going to be doing one from the same company I did the beard oil for before this, the Beard Factory, but now we're doing the Beard Balm. So guys, stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this one. It's good. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Honestly guys, without you guys there would be no channel. You guys give me the inspiration and the motivation to keep doing these reviews. I love doing these reviews, guys. Honestly, they're amazing. You know, it's such a privilege to be able to review and get these products. I absolutely love it. I need some coffee. So, the Balm on the other hand, guys, is great. I really like this Balm. And just like the oil, the Balm contains a lot of great oils. They use carrier oils that no other company ever that I reviewed combined into one product. You know, sure, you know, a lot of beard oils are the same. They're going to do the same thing. They're going to make your beard soft and nourish the skin underneath not to get dry. But what separates each beard oil is the ingredients they use, because all different oils have different vitamins in it and gives your skin different nutrients. And this one has excellent oils that have very good nutrients for your skin. And a lot of carrier oils, some of them are lighter than others, so they're going to last a shorter amount of time. So some oils might be good in the morning, while others are good at night. For example, castor oil is a very good nighttime oil because it's a thick oil and it would last throughout the night. So, getting back to this one. This one has pure virgin cold pressed Moroccan argan oil, beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, kokum butter, tamunu butter, aloe, fractionated, it's cold pressed argan oil, beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, argan oil, tamunu oil, aloe, babusu, south seed. These are great products, guys. Pumpkin seed oil, apricot kernel, castor, meadow foam, olive oil, jojoba black cumin seed oil, kooky nut oil, vitamin E oil, and the butter. Like I said, the butters are cocoa, shea, and kokum. Kokum not oil, it's the kokum butter. It's the same, it's the kooky nut, this is the kokum butter. Very, very good butters, very good base. And they're going to use also essential oils to get this scent. Now this is their 8-ball scent. It's a very, very good scent. Goes on easily. And if you see this, it comes right out. I don't need a lot, you know, but it comes right out. Alright, so I just use that much. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna, you know, I put this in my hand. I go like this. Alright. And I'm rough with my beard, guys. I'm not like, you know, I don't pet it. Like, I don't care. Like, the hairs usually don't come out of my beard. Like, I'll brush it 10 times a day. You know, I don't recommend that for anyone. But usually with a brush, I find a brush tames it a lot better, and I'm able to control the straggly hairs more with a brush. And plus, having a short beard, a brush works even better for a short beard because a comb isn't going to get all the hairs. You know, it's going to miss a lot of hairs because a lot of combs' teeth are too wide. Even the skinny tooth ones, like the one I have right here. You know, when I do it, yes, it works, but it doesn't, I just like the brush a lot better. Right now, you know, on video, I will do a quick comb. But guys, I highly recommend. The 8-ball scent is very, very good. It has a citrusy, it's a citrus scent. And it's just a unique scent. I can't pinpoint it, guys. I really can't. But you got to take my word on this one. It's a good oil. I mean, good oil. I mean, it's a good balm with good oils. Definitely, guys. I recommend this product to you guys. I really do. And I have a lot more reviews coming. You know, I have been off for a couple days. I've been on vacation. I'm back and ready to rock and roll, guys. I'll be doing a giveaway within the next couple weeks. We're going to be giving away a set from a chosen company of my choice. And at 500 viewers, we're going to do it. And at 1,000 subscribers as well. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I highly appreciate it. You could follow me at Twitter, New York Beardman, Instagram, The Bearded Vapor 1. The Bearded Vapor 1, V-A-P-O-R. On that, and then 1. It's underscore between each word. But until next time, guys. By the way, all the company information for this company will be linked down below. They have an Etsy store and they have a website, which is very good. A lot of information on there, a good about us section. And this company is from Texas. Believe it or not, it's from Plano, Texas. So reach out to them. Good customer service. Get this product, guys. Both of them. I recommend the beard oil and the beard balm. Alright? Take care, guys, and stay bearded. Peace.